Understanding your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating a personal brand that resonates with them. By understanding their needs, values, and motivations, you can create a personal brand that meets their specific needs and speaks to their unique interests. One way to understand your target audience is by conducting research. This can involve surveys, focus groups, and other methods of gathering feedback and insights from your target audience. It's important to ask questions that go beyond simple demographics and dive deeper into their values, beliefs, and behaviors. Another way to understand your target audience is by analyzing data and trends in your industry. This can involve looking at market research reports, social media analytics, and other resources of data to identify trends and patterns in consumer behavior. Ultimately, the goal of understanding your target audience is to create a brand that resonates with their needs and values. By understanding what motivates your target audience, you can create a personal brand that speaks to their unique interests and build a strong emotional connection. In summary, understanding your target audience is essential for creating a brand that resonates with them. By conducting research and analyzing data, you can gain insights into your target audience's needs, values, and motivations, and use that information to create a brand that connects with them on a deeper level. Overall, as a coach, you want more than just buyers. You want loyal fans of your coaching and your personal brand. To achieve that, you need to think about more than just the knowledge you are providing to them. The whole customer service approach will make a huge difference for your business and is one of the major reasons why someone would buy again. Here's an example. Let's say you are a relationship coach who specializes in working with millennial couples and may want to conduct research to better understand the unique challenges and needs of this demographic. This could involve conducting surveys or focus groups with millennial couples to gain insights into their relationship goals, communication styles, and values. You could also engage with your target audience on social media by creating content that speaks directly to their concerns and interests. For example, you could post about common relationship issues faced by millennials, such as navigating long-distance relationships or managing the stress of work and social media. By engaging with your audience in this way, you can gain a better understanding of their needs and tailor your coaching services to better meet those needs. Additionally, you could build a strong online presence through social media and other online platforms. This could involve creating a blog or podcast that provides relationship advice and insights specifically tailored to millennial couples. By providing valuable content that speaks directly to your audience's needs, you can establish yourself as a trusted global authority in the field and build a strong following. Understanding the target audience and developing effective client avatars is something that most of my clients are struggling with the most. This is why I teach all the principles mentioned in this episode inside the Brand Master Club, a group coaching program that is highly personalized to your specific coaching business and that you can cancel anytime. Building and scaling a personal brand and coaching business is challenging, but with proper guidance, you will avoid mistakes and see faster growth and success than trying to do it all by yourself by seeking free content like this podcast episode. This is just scratching the surface, and I can't really help you if I don't know you and your business. This is only possible inside the Brand Master Club, where I go on Zoom calls every week and I learn to deeply understand your business goals and needs to help you become a global leader in your niche this year. You can join at the link in the description.